All right. So we are going to reach out, put everything together right now. So we're going to put everything together. So that's our invoice printer class, and put all these 4 classes. This should be called invoice printer. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay. Let me fix that later. Okay. So right here, let's take a look right here. Okay. So before we do that, and let's take a look your invoice. We just complete our invoice. Is that right? Okay, that's complete. So our invoice actually have an address, and the address have a line item, every line item. And the line item right there, I really need to call product. Okay. So I format the invoice. That's I formatted. And I also need to add product and quantity. Okay, so like this, we're done. And let's take a look here. So take a look at this invoice here. And invoice and address has a aggregation relationship. You see the arrow here? That means address really is going to depend on invoice coil. So invoice has address. Invoice has a line item. Line item has a product. Okay, line item has a product. All right. So the invoice also create a product. So this is called diagram. And the relationship diagram is very important for you to design your program. Okay. So there's a relationship between this diagram right here. So we are going to do this right now. So first, how do you do that? First, get the address from whatever address right there. Okay, so we get the address. So let's come here right now. So in order to do this, the last part, first I get the address. So address, samsAddress. So you do the address right here, right? Then you create the invoice object with this guy's address. So the different person have different person's address. Okay. From this samsAddress right here, I'm going to add a product. Watch here, I write it right here. I add the product. Product has only 2 arguments, description and price. And right here, and the invoice here, invoice. When I add invoice here, there's a third variable, is quantity. So that's how you add it. So you add the here. You add this a product, toaster, okay, and 3. All right, and you add hairdresser dryer, $24.95 and 1, and you add a car vacuum, $19.99 2. Okay, can you add this right now, please? First, can you add this right now? Then we're going to add different product. Okay. First, I need you to right click it and create a class. But this class need to have static void main now because we're going to use it. We're going to call this invoice printer, and we first create address. Create the address right here. Then we create our invoice, and based on the whatever the person's invoice right here, address. Then you're going to add the product one by one. Okay. Is anybody who still need time? Okay, that's okay. So let's run it right now. So run as Java application. All right. So you got invoice. Yours may not be perfect. That's okay. I have code for you because we are running in the class time, so the space may be wrong. And will come out this person's address right here. And first will come description, price, quantity, total. All right. So first is toaster, this and that, 3, 1, and the total. Okay. And let's write another one more product right now. And everybody want to buy toilet paper because COVID-19, right? So how do you do? samsInvoice.add. Okay, that's new and product. You create this product yourself, okay? And this will be parentheses. Oh, sorry. What I'm doing? Parentheses. What am I doing? Where's that thing go? Parentheses, go. All right. TP. All right. Then it's 0.95 cents. But these people are crazy. They always buy by 1,000. Is that right? That's why you couldn't find anything. All right. So what happened if you do like that? What happened you do like that? And that's our format. That new thing. Okay. So run as Java application. All right. So sorry, I have to let you see. So right now it's like this right now. The format obviously is not good enough because we didn't realize people will buy 1,000, so we need to fix. You understand? All right. So that conclude this assignment, but I need to make sure everybody